Hi there, I'm Rosina from New Beginnings Chiropractic, chiropractor and owner. So we are so pleased and excited that you've chosen us for your chiropractic journey and the beginning of your health journey. I thought today what I'd do is go over what is going to happen with your first visit when you come on in to see us. Most people are really concerned about their adjustment. I promise it's very gentle. I'll be using my hands. I'll also be using a little instrument called an activator, which is very, very gentle little punch. And I'll also be using these, what we call blocks, which help to take out any twists or rotations in your pelvis. When you come on in, I will be asking a whole range of questions of what's going on with you, about your medical history, your health history, medications. And then based on those tests, we'll be going through and doing a range of practical tests where I'll be looking at your range of motion, how well can you move, your posture, do you have one shoulder higher, is your head really forward of your body? So if everything is looking good and safe, then I will go ahead and do your first adjustment that day. Sometimes, very rarely, we need to send you off for x-rays first. And then I'll talk you through the whole procedure as we're going on through. Attached to this email is your new patient paperwork. We'd really love it if you could fill that out for us and email that back. If you can't email it back, then just bring it on in. When you come on in, one of my lovely ladies will be at the front desk ready to greet you and make you feel comfortable at home. So that's what's going to happen on your first visit. So we're really looking forward to seeing you. If you've got any questions at all at any time, just give one of the girls a call.